Is my gut broken? Maybe. I did a test with this company called Viome and I got my results and they're really, 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 really bad. And I'm kind of shocked because I did this test before and they were like kind of okay. Like obviously there were some things I need to improve upon, but this time it's just bad. So let's get into it. So Viome is a company where you can do different tests to find out kind of like how healthy your gut is, for example, like what foods you should and shouldn't eat. And I'm really into that stuff. I love the idea of like biohacking and just kind of like making the best decisions I can and like personalizing things for my own personal health. So I did this test back, I believe, in 2021, maybe. I have it in my profile. March of 2020. I do have a discount code if this is intriguing at all to you. It's just JessK. And you actually get, right now, it's 26% off the full body kit, which is so awesome. So I, did the first test myself, really loved the idea. So I'm really excited to be partnering with Viome on this kit here. And I was really excited to test again. Not really excited now that I see my results, but I am really excited because in here, I'm going to be unboxing, hopefully, a solution to all of my problems. So my gut score was a 38. I don't know if that's, yeah, that's out of 100. That is out of 100. So that is not good. Although I think my score might have been lower before even. So a lot of things that it talks about is like nutrient absorption. So for example, my protein fermentation score is 55 out of 100. And that is like my ability to digest protein. But I mean, my muscles are getting bigger, so it can't be that bad, right? But there's a lot of markers that are pointing to bad digestion, like my gut lining health is kind of low. Gas production needs to be improved. Oxalate metabolism pathway is really bad. That's a red one. So that one says breakdown of oxalates, which are compounds found in plants. So I think that one was pretty similar on my last test. It actually gives me like a little graph from the last time. So all of that is kind of concerning. Then it gives you a whole bunch of foods. So it gives you your superfoods, your enjoy foods, your minimize, and your avoid foods. So I do notice like some of the foods are not things that I would typically eat anyway because this is not an American company. And that was something I found last time too, was I would be like, why would I even eat that? But it wants me to avoid dandelion tea, for example. I mean, I guess I might have that. It wants me to avoid cashews, which I don't eat often, but it wants me to avoid tomato, and that's just not going to happen. Like, there's absolutely no reason. Well, I don't know. They have a reason. Let's see. Since plant viruses in the microbiome are associated with an inflammatory response, we just recommend avoiding this food for 30 days. Like, I'm not, sorry. And then my minimize had some things like adzuki beans. Would I eat those? Boysenberry, like do we have boysenberries? Breadfruit, we don't have breadfruit here. So I'm like wondering how they're getting that because have I eaten breadfruit? Like, is that showing up? Coconut sugar, like currant. But there are, of course, like normal things on here, like grapefruit, hemp protein powder, which I don't like anyway. But then like it wants me to avoid like sweet fruits like mango, and it says each person has a unique blood sugar response to foods rich in carbohydrates. Your results suggest that you're likely to have an increased blood sugar response to mango. Like, okay, so what, Superfoods. It wants me to eat apples, so that's kind of fun, and acai berries and cinnamon and cranberry. It also wants me to eat goat. I'm sorry, that is not gonna happen. I'm not gonna be eating goat. It also wants me to have pomegranate, sauerkraut, spirulina. Oh, that just confused me. I just saw the avoid. So yeah, enjoy avocado. That's good. So I was mostly excited about seeing the foods. I'm kind of horrified by the gut results, but I'm excited by the foods that it wants me to enjoy. It wants me to enjoy basil. So we have gathered here in order to open my brand new supplements. I am very excited to try these out. I will be reporting back on how I'm feeling. I am gonna have to remember to actually take them so they can do their job. So once you get your results, you can decide to get your personalized supplements. Or if you do like the full bundle, it's part of the bundle once the results come back. So here we have Precision Supplements Dietary Supply, 30 sachets of 8 capsules and 30 stick packs. Okay, so it has, ooh, look at how fancy. All right, so the future of supplements. Probiotic and prebiotic formulas were made precisely for you. Your complete ingredient list and instructions can be found inside this card. So, oh gosh, this has berberine. I feel like I'm glad it has this whole thing because I should really know what I'm taking so that I know that I'm not having any interactions. So I would say if you're on prescriptions, you should definitely check with a doctor before just like taking supplements, because you can have interactions even if it is a natural supplement. You do want to be careful. I am not on any medication other than I have an IUD, but I don't think there's anything specific with that. So this has berberine, caraway, digestive enzyme blend, garden angelica, greater celandine, lemon balm, chamomile, gymnea, bilberry, licorice root, cumin, banaba extract, and red chili pepper, which has like capsaicin or capsamac, it says. And then the other stick has like psyllium husk. So basically it seems like this stick is kind of like a fibery type thing. So 1 sachet, 4 capsules twice a day with food, at least 4 ounces of liquid, not hot, or 8 can be taken together. And then mix 1 stick pack daily into your favorite food, smoothie, beverage of at least 8 ounces. So that is exciting. And I feel like, I mean, the best thing would be to like test again after this. I don't know. Is that what we're supposed to do? So I'm excited to get into my very special supplements. So yeah, I am very excited for this journey. I'm very curious to see how it goes. I will, of course, report back. If you want to try Viome, you can use that code JessK and save on their different tests, which is so exciting. I remember when I got my first one, like I just bought it and tried it, and it was really interesting to kind of see what they thought, and now to have like a comparison, that's kind of cool, like to see back then versus now. Like I definitely eat different. I think like a big thing is I have been eating and drinking things with artificial sweeteners, so I'm hoping to reduce that, and maybe if I reduce that and then get on these supplements, maybe we'll see a difference. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you want to see a follow-up after I start taking my supplements so I can report back to you. Give this video a like, give it a hype if you have access to the hype button. Comment below, would you ever do a test like this? Could you handle the blood test? Because I could not. And I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.